Keys. Wait for it, wait for it. Keys. Also, Vanilla Roadster backpack, time to roll. Welcome back, race fans. We are here at the Utah Motorsports campus. Yep. We are in the right spot. Check that out, there's Ty. Looking smug next to the race car. Come on, baby, come on. I wish you guys could experience what that just was like. I'm gonna be helping negotiate Ty out of the trailer, so wish me luck. Whew. I didn't really have to do anything, but that could have gone bad. Restricted area. So we're on this side, and that area is restricted, and that's, yeah. We're getting hooked up.
Yes, right?
We're getting hooked up. We're getting exclusive access. Front row, just for you guys, each and every day. We always try to get front row. Oh, here comes Derek right here. So this is the official lap time of the 570 at the Utah Motorsports campus. Here we go. Come on, Derek. Let's see it, do it for the viewers! So Derek is a professional driver, the owner makes the models. You guys know Derek, he has the Huracan Super Trofeo Evo. One second, that sounds so good. If I was out on the track right now, I would embarrass the car. So Derek is driving it because he's a professional. We gotta get an accurate lap time. Fast forward about, let's say 45 days, 60 days from now, we're gonna come back when the 570S is fully built to see the beast we've turned it into. So, here it comes, here it comes. 123, come on, Derek. Come on, Derek. Never lift, full send, full send. The official lap time, 1:46.60. On the weekends, Derek drives my 570. On the weekdays, he drives a Huracan Super Trofeo. Are you kidding me? That sounds amazing. It's a Lambo, it's a V10 Lambo. Mad man, so he's just warming up right now to go out in the 570. It's now my turn to ride shotgun with Derek. I had Taco Bell for lunch, so that's kind of curious, but well, here we go. Oh. Nice thing about having the camera, I can use the screen to latch this button. Can you guys hear me? I think you probably can hear me, yeah? Yeah, we're good? We're good. This isn't gonna be the most graceful entry into a 570, don't do it. Okay. I can feel that chicken quesadilla! But we're good, we're good! This is crazy! I cannot tell you how amazing these brakes are! Woo! There's a cone! Hold on, there's a cone! I told you guys Derek was a madman. That seatbelt, my shoulder, the brakes. Boys, the brakes. God bless the brakes. Whoever wins this car, it is so hot. Whoever wins this car, I can guarantee with 100% certainty, you will be 100% satisfied. This seatbelt just like has been engraved in my shoulder. We're out here testing the limits. We are at 0 miles left, and the gas station is, well, quite a few miles away. We made it. We're still sitting on 0, but we survived. Sometimes in life, you gotta risk it all. 0.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Orange County. The local time is 2:38. We will be taxiing for the...
I know, kind of an awkward sequence in the vlog, but when you see where we're headed right now, I think it all makes sense. So, welcome to California. Thank you. Like I was saying, there's a very good reason I'm here in the beautiful state of California. You guys have been here before. You remember the Hellbee, the Hellbug, and we got the Vision Gran Turismo. Now, before I take you on the full tour, there's someone I want to introduce you to, Matt. So Matt is going to be taking his driving test tomorrow. Yeah. So Matt, which Bugatti are you driving again tomorrow?
I think I'm gonna take the Chiron.
Are you sure? You sure you don't want to take the Vision?
I don't know. I don't know how comfortable the
Vision isn't street legal, so
there's no
maybe.
second chair.
Yeah. So tomorrow, Matt is going to be taking his driving test in a Bugatti Chiron, as you do. I did some research on how to pass your driving test, and the #1 thing was to practice. So Matt is going to be taking out the Veyron, and we're going to be practicing driving. So without further ado, this is a one-off Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport Vitesse. Here we go, hopping into the Hellbug. The first time I drove a Bugatti Veyron, I broke it. So Matt, don't do what I do. This is a one-off called L'Or Rouge. Je ne parle pas français. My French isn't very good, that's kind of basically what I said. I'm pretty sure, this could be right, this could be wrong. The paint job on this car is a $500,000 option. What's up, mate?
It's my friend.
Oh, you know him? You want a race?
Sure.
No. Matt is practicing. He always keeps it right under 55. Always. 1,200 horsepower, right under 55. But maybe after he passes his test, we'll race. All right. Cool. Man, are you kidding me? The clout! The clout! Matt has been driving this car for 2 minutes, and one of his friends just saw him driving a Veyron at 17. Are you kidding me? Usually, I'm always trying to kind of persuade whoever I'm with to like go full throttle, but right now we're trying to act very mature because tomorrow, when the instructor is sitting in the passenger seat with Matt, yeah, we're not gonna be speeding. That's one of the things I read online. Speeding is frowned upon when taking a driving test. Okay, I want to launch this car so bad.
I know.
Do it for the, don't do it for the vlog. We have to be very mature. So that button right there, that is launch control happiness. 1,200 horsepower, but unfortunately, we can't.
We'll get a 10-piece chicken McNugget and a medium fry.
$8.49 at the first.
If you're triggered that I'm getting out, navigating Matt through the drive-thru, at the end of the day, it's a Bugatti Veyron, and, well, neither of us own the car, so, yeah. This thing is so sick. Obviously, we're not gonna eat the chicken nuggets in the Veyron because, well, the interior is very expensive and, well, it's chicken nuggets. Matt invited me down here to Southern California because I'm a bit of a guru. I'm a bit of an expert when it comes to taking your driving test. And when I say that, I'm being incredibly sarcastic. So like 12 minutes ago on Google, I just made a Google search and said, tips to passing your driving test. And this is what I found. This is from driving-test.org. So it sounds like a pretty good organization.
I trust it.
So the 4 driving test tips everybody should know: get plenty of practice, which is what we're doing today. So we're already doing that. Know your car. So this is a Bugatti Veyron, 1,200 horsepower. Okay, we know our car. Prepare and adapt to anything. This is critical. Now, at some point when you're driving the Chiron tomorrow, there's an outside chance a Mustang might pull up next to you at a red light and start revving. What are you gonna do?
Just gonna ignore him.
That's right.
And then after my driving test, I'm gonna race him.
Okay, you see? That's exactly right. Pay attention to driving. Not that that really needed to be said, but pay attention. Yeah,
Sound.
There you have it. That's driving-test.org. And on that bombshell, chicken nuggets. Ladies and gentlemen, I mean, riding in the Bugatti was pretty exciting, but honestly, like, I have not had chicken nuggets from McDonald's in quite a long time. Wait for it. Wait for it. Dun dun dun. Did we get 10? We got 10. Dig in, Matt. Dig in.
Thank you very much.
It really was a Bugatti. He goes, it's a Bugatti, Mom. I'm like,
Oh, it's a Bugatti.
It is a Bugatti.
It's a Bugatti. Know our car. Matt knows his car. It's a Bugatti. Guys, they're not bad. Today's video is not a paid product placement for McDonald's in any way, shape, or form. They're not bad, though. Okay, honestly, I don't want any more. We are about to launch it in 3, 2, 1. Here we go! See, that was a test. That was good. That was good. I was testing Matt because if he would have floored it, he wouldn't be driving the Chiron tomorrow. But he's good. As always, we keep it right under 55, except for after we pass. Well, no, even that. Well, maybe we'll go to Mexico. We might go to Mexico tomorrow. More to come, more to come. Low key, I'm the worst influence on that right now because, like, we're in a Veyron. We're in like one of the world's fastest cars, and we want to go full throttle, but we can't because we need to practice driving conservatively and slow. I gotta get my signature view. The paintwork is just sensational. Ladies and gentlemen, we got views on views. Also, like Bumble, your time is done. Well, tomorrow on the Chiron, your time might really be done. More to come. You OG subscribers, and when I say OG, I'm talking the OGs of the OGs. I must have had around 6,000 subscribers when I filmed this video. So the owner of this car took it up to the Sun Valley Road Rally, and he hit 235.7 miles per hour. I'm gonna show you a clip of that footage. The thing sounds like a fighter jet. So check it out, check it out. Welcome to the Department of Motor Vehicles. So tomorrow we will be here with the Hellbee. So just scoping out, getting a lay of the land. Matt's appointment is right here tomorrow at 2 p.m. Now this is not a Department of Motor Vehicles sanctioned event, so we're not really sure what the instructor is gonna think when he pulls up in the Chiron. Hopefully it's a car person, but most likely it won't be. So we're gonna put a couple GoPros in the car, just real discreet, say they're kind of just dash cameras, and hopefully it kind of works. We don't really know what to expect. So if you're not subscribed, you should subscribe because that video is coming tomorrow. Like, that's the next video. After this video, that's the very next video. And Matt's gonna pass. He's definitely gonna pass. I hope he passes. He's gonna pass, he's gonna pass. Okay. You can see the W16 right there, 1,200 horsepower. When this car came out, it was the world's fastest open-top roadster according to the Guinness Book of World Records. This glass roof piece right here is fully removable. If we open up the door, right here is the port for the top speed key. Now, unfortunately, we do not have the top speed key today, Matt. Where's the top speed key? You have the top speed key, right? That's for tomorrow. That's for tomorrow. This is just a practice session. Oh, check this out. I don't know how Matt has been so mature. If I was driving this car, so right here on the bottom left-hand side, you can see the horsepower gauge all the way up to 1,200. We got the speedo here on the right. 280 miles an hour. This Alcantara steering wheel, like I have never felt softer Alcantara in my entire life. Guys, I wish you could feel the steering wheel. And also these door panels are so cool. If you wonder what we're doing or where we're going, we really don't have a plan. We're just practicing. Matt just needs to get as many miles as he can behind the steering wheel of a 1,200, well, he's gonna be at a 1,500 horsepower Chiron. And Chiron. We're in a Veyron, tomorrow's the Chiron. I'm getting my Bugattis confused. Just like the owner of this car, he has multiple key tags for multiple Bugattis. If that's not a goal, I don't know what is a goal. That's a goal, that's a goal. So when you see that sign, you see how it says STOP? That means you have to stop. And Matt just killed it, that was killer. That was good, you see, now we're rolling, now we're rolling. I'm out here trying to hook you guys up. As you might say, ladies and gentlemen, we got views on. We got a motorcycle ruining my clip. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Views on views. All right, so it's my understanding we're getting burritos. So if you thought the vlog was good, it's only gonna get better. So Matt tells me these are the best burritos in the state of California. This thing has French fries in it, apparently. This has steak, French fries, cheese, and guacamole. Good call, good call. No way. That is so sick. Arguably, this is the best modern day Bugatti collection in the entire world. We got the Hellbee, the Hellbug, and the Vision Gran Turismo. So we have the front license plate here on the Hellbee to make sure this car is legal for Matt's driving tests tomorrow. The Vision Gran Turismo. So this is the only one in the entire world. It's a one-off concept car. Nobody else in the entire world has one of these cars. I don't know what to really say, but I feel like I should say something. We have the Centenario Roadster, one of 20 roadsters in the entire world. LaFerrari, one of 499. Vision Gran Turismo, one of 1. Veyron, one of 450. Hellbee, one of 500. In the comments below, if you could have just one car in this entire collection, which would it be? Let me know. Bear in mind, the Vision Gran Turismo, obviously that's what you would take. This car is not street legal. So if you take this, you're not, I mean, you can't, yeah, you know what I mean. It's not street legal. Dude, I cannot believe you're driving this car tomorrow. Like, what? You're the only person, I think, in the history of the world to ever drive any kind of Bugatti for their driving test.
Never been done before.
Now, you could be the first in the world to fail, or you could be the first in the world to pass. Dude, you're totally gonna pass. You're gonna kill it.
It's gonna be good.
Dude, you're gonna kill it. Just be confident. I'll see you tomorrow at noon.
Get some sleep.
Well. I'm gonna be fine. I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling. Enjoy this view, because when it's gone, it is gone. Well, I mean, we're gonna see it tomorrow, but for the night, it's gone. And that is going to effectively end today's video. Tomorrow, Matt is taking his driving test in a Bugatti Chiron. I would imagine he's not probably sleeping tonight. I'm gonna sleep like a baby. And on that bombshell, today's video is over. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog's over, and I'm out.